chemotherapy and some markers are useful for the response of the surgical treatment and chemotherapy and radiotherapy. So now I am going to start the. So if you take the global burden of the breast cancer, the global burden of malignancy is 14.1 million new cases and 8.2 million cancer-related deaths in 2012. So breast cancer is the most common cancer affecting women worldwide. Nearly 1.7 million cases diagnosed, and in 2012, representing 12% of all new cases, and 25% of the all cancers in women. And if you take the women, it is 1:4. The 1:4 ratio of the cancers, breast cancer in women, and 6.3 million patients are living with breast cancer for the past 5 years. If you take the incidence in India, the incidence in India may be low because of the poor screening and not because of the low incidence. So in India, it is 83,000 new cases are diagnosed in each year. So that is a ratio of 19 per 100,000 females. So whereas the number is 210 per 100,000 in USA, but that is not due to the low incidence. It is due to the better screening in the USA and other things, and better awareness also. But if you take the India, the awareness is very low, and the screening facilities also very much low. So that's why the incidence is showing very much low in India. So there are around 270,000 patients living with breast cancer in India with a mortality ratio of 10.4 per 100,000 females. And if you take the survival of the diagnosis in breast cancer, it is better in USA, very poor in India. So there is one indicator that is known as mortality incidence ratio. So this mortality incidence ratio, if it is 1, it is 100% mortality. And if you take the mortality incidence ratio, it is 0.58, that is highest in Philips, the next in India. So that is the survival rate after diagnosis is very low in India because of the poor facilities and without proper awareness. And it is very low in USA, that is 0.19. So the difference between the USA and this thing is a huge difference in the case of survival after the diagnosis. So let us come to the main topic, this my tumor markers. If you take the tumor markers, the ideal tumor marker, if you take any tumor marker of any particular disease, it can be a cardiac biomarker, it can be a tumor marker of other malignancy, or it can be anything. So either tumor marker should be 100% sensitive. So it should be 100% sensitive means that the presence of the marker should, if the presence of the